So in Figjam, what you can also do is you can go around and use stamps. So to use stamps, you can see on the bottom there is the stamp tool. So if you were to click on this, you can see that there are different sort of stamps that you can use. Click on the stamp you want and click anywhere and keep on clicking, and you can see that you have the stamp right here. You can go around, select out the stamp right here, resize it, place it anywhere you want as regular objects, as you can see right here. You can go around into stamp and select the stamp you want and simply click right here, and you can see that you can click to stamp it out like a real stamp. So these are one collection of stamps that you can use, and there are another right here on the top, as you can see. If you were to click on this, this is another set of stamps that you can use. So there is like these type of stamps, as you can see right here. So you can go around and you can see that these are like stars right here. They are like these ones right here, as you can see, like associated with your name right here. There's different things like likes, as you can see right here, and so forth. And that is how you can use stamps inside of Figma Figjam file. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.